See the arc? See the perfect spherical arc? Begins top right, spherically comes down to the bottom left. See it? Cool shape. Wonder what else they can do. Could it be another sun ring? I mean, I don't know, but that strongly resembles a planet. Either a huge planet. Easy to imagine it being a huge planet. Just barely visible. Would be more so visible were it not for the chemtrail cloud. You know, don't really need to say more about it. We all know about it. I mean, all it takes is to look up at it for a few minutes. Say, huh, that's different. You know? That's all I'm saying.